Good day, everyone. Look at the labels. Read them. What are they for? Let's listen and read in order to find out.
Food labeling. What is a label? A label is a piece of paper or other material that gives consumers information about a product. Why do we need labels? Labels help consumers make informed decisions about the products they want to buy. In different countries, there are different laws about what information a label must contain. Usually they say what ingredients the product has in it, where it was made, and how to store, prepare and use the product safely. Why do labels have dates on them? Food labels must have a use by, best before date on them. This date tells the consumer when the product is no longer safe to use. Why do labels tell us where to store our products? The storage conditions tell consumers where the product needs to be kept so that it is safe for consumption. For example, tinned food must be kept in a cool, dry place until it is opened. After opening, it should be kept in the fridge or freezer. Why do labels tell us where our products come from? By law, labels have to display the name of the company, its address, and the country it comes from. If consumers are not satisfied with the product, they can contact the company. For example, if a consumer buys a product that does not match the description on the label, they can use the contact information to complain to the company. What is the Nutritional Information Health Claims section for? The ingredients list and nutritional information tell consumers what is in the product and exactly how much protein, fat, sugar, salt, etc. it has in it. This helps consumers decide whether what they are buying is suitable for them.
It's time to look at the translations of today's new words. Let's listen and repeat after the recording.
Complain, consumer, consumption, contact, display, freezer, informed decision, ingredient, label, law, prepare, satisfied, store, tinned food.
Your first task will be to identify are these sentences true, false, or doesn't set. In your second task, you should think and write the importance of having labels. It is your third task. I want you to find labels and write what are they for. That is all for today. I'm looking forward to check your home tasks. Bye.